Looking for a fun and tasty activity to do with your kids? Let's make homemade chicken nuggets together. This kid-friendly recipe is simple, delicious, and a great way to bond in the kitchen. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound of chicken breast, 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 talk 2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 1 talk or 2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 talk or 2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 talk or 4 teaspoon of salt, 1 talk or 4 teaspoon of pepper, 2 eggs, and 1 talk 4 cup of flour. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degree off, 200 degree off, and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Cut the chicken breast into bite-sized pieces. Next, set up 3 bowls, one with flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with a mix of breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Show your kids how to dip each chicken piece into the flour, then the egg, and finally coat it with the breadcrumb mixture. Place the nuggets on the prepared baking sheet. Once all the chicken pieces are coated, lightly spray them with cooking oil. Bake in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown and cooked through. Let them cool slightly before serving. Enjoy your homemade chicken nuggets with your favorite dipping sauce. This recipe not only tastes great, but also provides a fun and educational experience for kids in the kitchen.